Uh, this is our final project presentation for the 2020 presidential elections prediction on the states of Alabama, California, Connecticut, and Wyoming. Our final project team members are Ankit Bansal, uh, Ajay Kata, and Toba Ojabere, and myself, Alejandro Covarrubias. So for our project summary, the purpose of the project was to predict the outcome of the elections on 2020 on the states of Alabama, California, Connecticut, and Wyoming. And what we did, we collected data throughout the semester, and using that data, we tried to analyze and find the best fit model in order to predict the presidential elections for 2020. And I should mention that we explore using R, and we explore using SAS. As a starting point, we choose to use Monte Carlo simulation to build a distribution to pull the random samples. In this case, we have chosen to use SAS in order to do the Monte Carlo simulation. And the outcome of our Monte Carlo simulation is shown here. You can see on the x-axis it denotes the difference in votes between Republicans and Democrats, and the positive numbers shown that the Republicans will win in 2020 for the state of Alabama. And from the R simulation, we have generated this histogram and this pie chart. As you can see, it's not that detailed as the SAS simulation, but in any way, it provides a clear outcome on how the Democrat Party will win in the state of California. Monte Carlo simulation was chosen to build the distribution to pull the random samples, and SAS was used to find the best fit model. As you can see here, we run the simulation in SAS, and we have found that there's 95% confident interval of Democrat winning average and 95% confident interval of diff between Democrat and Republican. The motivation, again, for choosing the model, we took into account any variability in the margin of win and any fluctuations in the voter outcome. Monte Carlo simulation was chosen. We used SAS again to find the best fit model, and in the overall outcome of the predictions, Monte Carlo simulation predicted that the Republican will win the 2020 presidential elections. As you can see here, we generated this pie chart, which has on the distribution to win mostly Republican. And as a summary of why we have chosen only in one case to use R and on 3 cases to use SAS. So in R, you definitely have to code in order to do all the simulations. And SAS Studio is a lot more user intuitive in the fact that it provides an interface or easy use cases in order to generate different simulations. So that's, I guess, the main difference between the two tools.